Hey, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's been a minute. I think it's been a while since I've come on. I wanted to come on and just talk about a few things, another day's topic. Okay, I think everybody can hear me okay. I'm live. You can hear me, you can see me. Double checking. Gonna give it a couple of moments for everybody to jump on with us and just check in. How's everybody doing out there? Doing okay? How's everybody's businesses? Any new and exciting things going on? I know you're killing it. Well, I'll be home Saturday, actually. Don't tell my mother, it's a surprise. I'll be home Saturday for 2 weeks. So I definitely want to connect with people while I'm there. I'm doing a workshop for Global Week, actually. So I was invited to speak to some DBE businesses, new workshop there. So I'm quite excited about that. So like I said before, certification matters. So today's topic, I get a lot of questions on Business Credit Works, the website, and FAQs. So I thought I would just do a video on the website and FAQs. And so I get this a lot. And also going to be branching out into something very new, working on that too. So let's take a look at our website and we'll get started. Let's see. Share screen. And we're going to go to the website. Hold on one second, guys. There we go. Let's do this. See if that doesn't work better. Present, share screen. All right, here we go. And we're just going to make that the full screen. Let's do that. All right. So here is our website, businesscreditworks.com is our company website. And just wanted to go over today and just kind of show you guys some things that we do here and what you can find on the website actually when you're doing your research. As if you guys don't know, we are LGBTEBE certified, MBE and DBE certified. That allows us more doors to get into basically, because certification does matter. So here's our website, guys. So it's just our tagline when it comes to business, when it comes to building credit, think business, not personal. Very important. We need to change our mindset when it comes to thinking about business credit. So you want to think business credit, not personal credit. You can book a consultation right on the website. And on the website, we've got a calendar that'll let you book a consultation for a Zoom and or a phone call. And I'm growing out my team so you can see the team members that if you want to book a call with myself, with Kim, with Whitney or Taffy, they'll be there. You can just find their names and book a consultation with them also. All of that you can do from the website. And say, for example, I'm going to book it with myself. Just pick your date, your time, and then continue. And this is for a phone consultation. You can change that if you want to do a Zoom consultation. Okay, so we do Zooms and phone consultations. And here's all you have to do is put your information in and we will plug it in. It comes into our back office. So now you just booked an appointment with myself or one of my team members. So that's how they book appointment. Very straightforward, very, very easy. And as our website says, we're here to help. We understand the struggles of a business and ask a couple of questions. Are you overextending your personal credit? And we're here to help business owners move in the right direction. Okay. And just some of the ways how we help. We help you grow your business by expanding that business credit score and credit profile with your EIN number. We also have an in-house lending for our two of our business credit programs. I'll talk about that too as we tour the website. We help establish, repair, and build business credit. Another place to book a consultation takes you to the calendar appointment. And also, guys, we work with Fortune 500 companies. That's our partners that we work with in building out the credit score and credit profile. They are our partners. They specialize in the business credit piece. So we are 100% know that we can get this done for you. It is all systems and process and procedures and places, everything's in place to make you successful. Okay. But here's our homepage on our website. So today's topic is just taking a tour of the Business Credit Works website and then about us page. And this video actually is really good. This is one of our video of our core program, and we'll talk about the core program, but this is the actual video of when you get access to that program. It walks you all the way through it. Very, very straightforward. So I tell people, I talk with clients, I also tell them they don't have to remember anything because everything we're going to talk about is also located on our website. And you guys can take a look at that video. It's about 2 minutes long, but this is our core program working with a credit coach. I call it an education platform as well as it helps you establish business credit and build out that credit score. Okay. So there's no guesswork, just follow the steps. Our credit coach's jobs is to ensure that you are successful and you will get what they say and what we say we can get for you. Just a little bit about myself, my picture. I know I need some new pictures. I know I need a new picture, guys. Okay, I'll get that. But I spent actually about 20 plus years in operations from the working at Charles Schwab in the brokerage world for 10 years and moving over to the banking side of things. So and I just wanted to stay in my lane when it came to a business. I know operations. So I know how operations works. I know what you need and what they look at lending institutions to do loans. Okay, here's my partner, Taffy. She's bilingual. She's also available. But here's our certifications once again. And I put those on there because certification does matter. Okay, we're here to help people establish their business credit and their goals. So let's go into our programs real quick. This is our business credit builder program, our main core programs. We'll take a look at these. Okay, both courses, they include get up to $50,000 in business credit. We get you listed with 911. We help you with the Dun and Bradstreet. We do a compliance checklist where we're making sure you're set up credibly before we even start to build business credit. Um, Vehicle financing, one-on-one credit coaching. The program takes up to, let's say, 8 months, but it's really up to you. If it takes longer, that's okay too. But typically, there's 4 levels. So each level has a 30-day reporting cycle, like normal. So right there, you're talking 30 days, you're talking 30, 60, 90, 120. So 4 months for the core program. So for example, it might take you a little longer because depending on when the credit reporting agencies are receiving the updated information from your business's payment history. So that's what I'm saying. It might take a little longer before it reports to the credit bureaus. That is our trigger to then know that you're ready for the next level. Okay. Very, very important. And our credit coaches walks you through the whole entire process. Okay. Here's our two core programs, the Business Credit Builder program. The only difference between the two, this one you have the coach or the advisors team to help talk you through, answer questions, pick their brains for more information, more knowledge. This program is without the advisor or credit coach, but you still have the core program. The video before that we just watched, that's this program. Okay, that's this program. So you got two options. This is a one-time fee of $2,800, and that will get you up to $50,000 in different types of business credit lines from Net 30 gas cards, store credit cards, gas credit cards, and then MasterCard and Visas. This program, the DIY, same core program. So $50,000, various trade lines, just without the credit coach. So I wanted to give people options. So if they felt they didn't need a coach, I wanted to give them an option of that. And the one-time fee of $14.95 will get them $50,000 in different types of credit and all the answers to build it. So there's no guesswork on your part. There's no YouTubing it and only to find out outdated information. And as you guys, I don't know if you guys are aware or not, on YouTube, a lot of these tricks and trade secrets they're giving out. Well, you guys can watch them, and so can the banks and lending institutions. So based off that, they're changing their underwriting guidelines now because it's out there how they analyze the different products and services that they offer and how to obtain them. So they're changing the rules of the game, was what I'm saying. That too many people know they're trying to circumvent the process. I'm a very traditional, follow the steps, go slow to go fast. Okay. It didn't take you 6 months for your personal credit to get good or bad. So it's not going to take you, say, relatively speaking, 6 months to get $50,000 in different types of trade lines. That's fast compared to the consumer credit side of things. But as we know, rules change all the time. So here's what I'm talking about the no money down program. Say, for example, you did have the cash or you didn't have the cash, you can get a loan for either program. So we do require $200 deposit. So you can find out more. Takes you right here to the in-house lending program, which is here. Okay. So you can get a loan for either program that you want to go into. The It's $200 refundable deposit. So what that looks like is when you pay the deposit, apply for financing, lets you pay the deposit. Then a link will be sent out to you for you then to apply with 20 different vendors to get your business credit. So, and what you'll do is based off a soft credit pull, it will come back and tell you, maybe 5 different lending sources can potentially finance you. Lender A might say, "Hey, based off the credit pull, we can loan 5,000 at this rate this term." Lender B might say, "We can loan 3,500 this rate this term." But the thing is, you're going to choose who you want to work with. So that's once you choose who you want to work with, that company will reach out to you, collect W-2s or pay stubs, anything like that, so then they can get you funded. Once you're funded, then we send you an invoice for the difference because you've already paid 200 toward the program. So now you get an invoice for the difference. So that's how you can get in and get started with business credit really for no money out of pocket. Because once you get approved for that loan, it's going to be 30 days before that first payment is even due, which is also going to help you on your consumer credit side because now you have another trade line, a loan. So it's going to help build your score in that perspective also. So there's some strategy behind getting a loan when you have the cash available, and you need to get a different type of lending program on your personal credit. Okay, so those are our two core programs. $50,000, our business credit builder program includes the advisor or coach for a one-time fee of $27.95, or the business credit DIY program without the credit coach or advisor for a one-time fee of $14.95. Then you can get a loan. You can get a loan for that. Okay. Oh, but also, I forgot about this, guys. We just rolled this out. You can choose our 5-month payment plan also. And I think we might have to update this. I mean, it's brand new. Let's see. So what that does is break up the payments over 5 months. So we have a payment plan in place. Oh, okay, here it is. So yeah, you have a payment plan in place. So it breaks it down to 5 payment plans over time. And here is the guidelines here. And those lenders, they can go down to a 500 credit score to get the lending in house. So they can go down to a 500 credit score. So don't think you have to have perfect personal credit to be able to get one of those programs, lending from for one of our vendors. And this is also too, when you first go to our website, you can download our free ebook here too. Okay. So our next core program is a 0% interest. So the video right there explains to you. This is the one I've gone live on by itself. With a good personal credit score of 680 or higher, you can qualify for up to $150,000, all in business credit. Well, let me take that back. Business credit and consumer credit cards, 0% interest, high limit. Okay. That program is what we call a hybrid. So if you wanted to get a combination of high limit corporate credit cards in addition to high limit personal credit cards at 0% interest, you have your option. And with a soft credit pull, brief application, we can get you into underwriting, and then they can let us know what you're approved for. And as I tell my clients, that there's no charge to get you into underwriting to know. So then you work off the facts. You work off of, for sure, okay, I got approved for $80,000 in corporate credit. And those approvals are typically good for 30 days. So then you have some time to think about, okay, I've got $80,000 in corporate credit. Do I have a project that I want to do? Do I want to take advantage of that right away? Or just have that knowledge? It's up to you. But at least you're working from actual facts versus of I wonder what we could have applied for and what we would have got approved for. Okay. With this program, we don't care about, oh, here goes. No collateral, no cash flow, no bank statements, no income requirements, business plan, nothing. Okay. Straightforward program. Your good personal credit score is 680 or higher. Now, there are some other guidelines to this program, but the credit score has to be there first. So if you don't have that 680 or higher, you cannot get this program. So then we'll have option B and C, which would be our other two core programs. And all of this, the 0% interest corporate credit cards or business credit cards that we get you, all report to the business credit bureaus too. So not only is it giving you a line of credit in your business's name, for example, it's also reporting to the different credit reporting agencies. So now it's helping your business build its credit score and credit profile. So that's our up to $150,000, 0% interest, up to 18 months. I sometimes will refer to it as our fast track because you'll get those corporate credit cards in about 20 plus business days, give or take. But that's our fast track program. So if you need to come up with capital or cash right away, that's an option for you. And of course, since you're getting those business credit cards and it's all in your business's name based on your tax basis, all of that's a write off. So you don't have to worry about paying it because it's a business expense. But disclaimer, I'm not a tax professional. I'm not your bookkeeper. Always verify and check. Okay. And just double check me and make sure that it applies to your situation because it's not doesn't apply to everyone. The next one to look at is the Business Credit Works University. I created this. It's really kind of a cool place to get different types of classes and different programs. So here's our courses. And these are I had to I develop this. This is for the DIY, the YouTuber person that's looking for the vendor list. So this program comes with 20 videos that I created along with the different tier vendor list. Okay. So if you having access to business is great, but if you don't know the vendors that do two things, one, they extend lines of credit to your company, and two, they're going to report to the business credit bureaus. Not all vendors report to the business credit bureaus, guys. That's important to know, okay? But this is our university, Business Credit Works University. And you can see here, there's a preview. You can actually see a video. Those are different modules. And I think I've shared this before too on its own. And this is about 2 minutes long. But this is a preview, free video you can take when you get to the Business Credit Works University. I'm not going to play it today, but that's something for you guys to look at. Okay. And then we have next, I am growing the team, building this, join the team out, and looking for affiliate referral partners. And we're working on this program, but right now, here's what we have, and just need to get some things tightened up. And soon we'll be launching the affiliate referral program. Okay, it's going to be a great program, and it's going to help people refer business and make some cash on the side. In addition to that, all right, guys. I hope you guys had found benefit in reviewing the Business Credit Works actual page because I get that question. Well, people, I say to take this back. People will call me and then I'll ask them, "Have you checked out the website?" Because I'm a big believer in doing my research before I meet with someone, because that way I have a better working knowledge of the program um, and the offering if I've gone to that company's website and checked it out before I actually had a conversation with someone. Because now I know more, have a little bit more insight and texture to know and ask more depth questions to make sure my understanding of everything is there. Let me stop sharing here. So that is a tour of the Business Credit Works website. I think I'm going to do the FAQ on its own. It's a quick FAQ section. I want to do it on its own because I don't want to keep this too long. But that's a tour of the Business Credit Works website. Please feel free to take a look, book your appointments online, and give us a call, 844-417-9675. Or you can go to our website, businesscreditworks.com, and actually book your Zoom consultation or your phone appointment. Okay. So we've got agents on call, on staff, on standby to be able to assist you and answer those questions and get you going. It's time to get off the sidelines, guys. It's time to get in the game. All right. I hope you guys found value out of today's messaging. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and like and share this video. And I appreciate everybody so much, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.